Hey everyone, here's a short video on how I created these black butterfly nails. Keep watching. I know I have been gone and missing for a while, but as we all know, 2020 has been that year. So I am trying to get back on schedule and do what I do. But now I'm going to start off by prepping her natural nails, and always starting by pushing back the cuticle area. Here I'm going to be using like a skiver bit. It's like a 101 cuticle bit, and I'm going to use that to I'm going to use that to remove some of the dead cuticle that's on the nail plate. Now I'm taking a diamond round cuticle bit that I got from Young Nails, and this is just going to help soften up the living tissue around the cuticle area. Also helping push back any excess that I couldn't get with the cuticle pusher. Just a caution reminder, when you're using the sanding band to etch the natural nail, you just want to tickle it. You don't want to put too much pressure. You're not removing nail, you're just removing the shine from the natural nail. The forms that I'm using, I believe I got from Amazon. I would link that below if I can. I think if you just search on Amazon butterfly forms, I think these pop up. You're going to see me do some bases in clear, and some nails require colored acrylic. I'm going to let you just enjoy the video, and I'll chime in every once in a while. I'm going to ombre these black tip nails. And a quick tip, if you're doing anything dark or pigmented colors like black or red or some yellow, put a little clear on top of that. Let it dry before you're using your nude or lighter color on top, just so that it doesn't bleed and transfer into the top color. I wanted to hop on here and apologize in advance. So when I started recording, I forgot to put it on airplane mode. So when people called me, it stopped recording. So clips are going to just stop abruptly. Also, my phone died in the middle of me finishing the nails. So you're going to see me work and then all of a sudden see the end result. I apologize in advance. So right now we're putting on Swarovski crystals. It's a gunmetal black and clear crystal. Underneath is a black jelly color. To get a jelly, if you don't already have a jelly, you can just take black gel polish and mix it with clear, like top coat or base coat, one of them, and that can give you a jelly color if you don't already own one. trying out Vanessa's transfer foil gel, and I'm actually pretty liking it. It's working okay. So right now I'm taking these black butterflies and I'm going to press the foil on top of the black jelly, and I'm going to mat it for a nice velvety effect. Yep, and it happened. The phone died. So here's the ending result. Nude and black butterfly nails with Swarovski. I think these came out super cute. I want to appreciate you guys watching my videos. Stay tuned for more. Also, the ring she's wearing, I'm going to start selling. So stay tuned and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye!